I'm going to quickly go over with you what you need to do this lab. So, for sure, you need 2 containers. They should be identical. They don't have to be glass beakers. You know, they can be drinking glasses, but they should be identical. And they should be able to handle hot water, right? We don't want them cracking in the middle of the experiment. That wouldn't be good. You're going to need a timer of some sort. I have a nice little, sort of kitchen timer here, but you're welcome to use the timer on your cell phone or whatever you have handy. It needs to record in seconds. You need something to stir your 2 containers with. I have these really nice glass stirring rods, but you could use, a spoon from the kitchen. That would be fine. You'll need 2 of them. Again, they should be identical and they should fit nicely into your containers. Okay. You also need a paper towel or something, just so that you're not making a mess. And I suggest you do this in the kitchen or the bathroom so that you can clean it up easily. You need a package of Alka-Seltzer. So this package doesn't say Alka-Seltzer on it, but it does say effervescent, antacid, and pain relief, which is what Alka-Seltzer is known for. And you'll notice this was a package with 2 tablets in it. Here are my 2 tablets that I'm going to use. I also have a thermometer that records temperature in Celsius. You may or may not have a thermometer. It's fine if you don't. And it's fine if you have a thermometer that records in Fahrenheit degrees, because of course after doing the first lab you know how to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, so you'll also need something to heat up your water with. So I have this nice little hot plate, which is what we commonly use in a laboratory setting. You're welcome to use your stove or your microwave. I also have a container here of ice. Okay, so that I can have some cold water and just use the ice from your refrigerator. These are the things that you need. Oh, I forgot one thing. You'll also want some kind of measuring cup. So I just have a bigger beaker here for that, but you're welcome to use the kind of measuring cup that you use for cooking and baking. Since we're going to be using hot things, doesn't hurt to have something to grab with to keep your fingers from getting burnt. And then, of course, in a lab setting, we're very careful about how we dispose of materials. So when we're done with this experiment, I will be putting the used liquids into a bottle that's specifically designed to handle waste in the laboratory. The chemicals that we're using for this lab are harmless, and you put them in your body. So in terms of home disposal, putting this down the sink is not an issue, and putting your used glasses into the dishwasher is fine.